Any investment is made with the idea of making good returns. But what if we want to withdraw from an investment and enjoy it regularly? That is possible with something called as the Systematic Withdrawal Plan or SWP. Now, a systematic withdrawal plan allows you to withdraw a fixed amount from a mutual fund regularly. How much is something that you can decide, and also how often to withdraw. Here's how it works. The first step is to instruct the fund house to start this SWP. Inform them about the amount of the SWP and also the intervals, which could be monthly, quarterly, or even annually. Then on the scheduled date, units worth the amount of your SWP value are sold and the money is transferred to your accounts. This process will continue for as long as there are balance units available in the scheme or until the specified period ends or you decide to cancel your SWP. When you do an SWP, you benefit from rupee cost averaging. There will be times when the market is high and times when the market is low. If the market is doing well on your redemption date, then fewer units will be sold compared to when the market is down. Now, this approach essentially helps average your returns and also protects you from potential losses that can happen when your SWP date coincides with a downturn. But remember, SWP means you might be subject to tax on the capital gains that you may enjoy. SWP is a great tool for investors who want a regular withdrawal from their investments.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.